Okay, so I did my 5-number summary. I'm supposed to find the IQRs. For the guys, 83 minus 6 is an IQR of 77. 191 minus 34 is an IQR of 157. Before I do box plots, I should probably check to see if I have any outliers. Because if I have outliers, then I'm supposed to make dots for my dot plot. Okay, where could I do that? Let's go all the way up here. I'm going to say outliers. For the first one, Q1 minus 1.5 times the IQR. That's how we do it. Q1 minus 1.5 times the IQR. So for guys, that's going to be 6 minus 1.5 times 77. Okay, that's going to be a big negative number, right? There are no low outliers. And we'll do this, we'll put, this is for the guys. So Q3 plus 1.5 times the IQR. Okay, that's going to be 83 plus 1.5 times 77. So I'm going to go to the calculator, and I'm going to go 83 plus 1.5 times 77. Type it in just like that, and I get 198.5. 198.5. This is just a negative number, and so there aren't any low outliers. If I have anything over 198.5, it's an outlier. Look, I've got 2 of them. Those are outliers. Okay, so for the girls, where can we do that? We'll do this over here. So girls, outliers. We go Q1 minus 1.5 times the IQR. Q1 minus, okay, so Q1 is going to be 34 minus 1.5 times the 157. Again, that's going to be a really big negative number. I'll show you if you want. 34 minus 1.5 times that IQR was 157. That's negative 201.5, and the smallest value we have is 0, so we don't have to worry about low outliers. But Q3 plus 1.5 times the IQR, okay, that's going to be 191 plus 1.5 times 157. 191 plus 1.5 times, that was 157. I get 426.5. We don't have any girls who texted over 426.5 times in 2 days. So, got to make a box plot. Well, the lowest number I have is 0, and the biggest number I have is 379, so I think I got to go 0 to 400. So I'm going to put a 0 here, I'm going to put a 400 all the way out here, and see what I can do here. That's 200. All right, so that's 100. That's 300. So here where I'm making these marks, those are going to be the 50s. So 50, 150, 250, 350. And I guess these will be 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. And so I'm going to put 4 marks in between all of these and do my best to make my box plots. You should always have a title on your box plot. You should always have labels. So, guys versus girls texting. We'll even put 2 days in parentheses. Okay, number of texts. That's going to be my label. Here's what I want you guys to do. Over here, I'm going to put guys, then I'm going to put girls, and I want you guys to make 2 box plots, horizontally on the same graph so we can compare them. So make your box plots now.